Hi there, students. Clamour. A clamour, a noun, or to clamour as a verb. Okay, firstly, a clamour is a loud, persistent noise. So I woke up this morning to the clamour of the machines retarring the road, the clamour of traffic, the clamour of machinery. So a racket, a din, a loud noise that is persistent. We can then move a step further to this, and a clamour is a loud, persistent outcry, loud, persistent complaints or protests or demands against something. So a lot of people complaining about something. So there was a clamour against the tax increase. You could say there was a public outcry against the tax increase. So a clamour, a lot of people complaining, anger, outrage, protest, demands for something to happen. So there is a clamour for governments to do something against global warming. A lot of people are expressing their opinion almost like a group, yeah? And then we have as well to clamour as a verb, which is the same thing. To make public demands for something. The demands of many people that something changes. So most normally people are clamouring for something they wanted, or people are clamouring against something they don't like it. So people have been clamouring both for and against Brexit for various years. The people were clamouring for more public transport. Now, we could even go a step further and say to clamour, meaning to need urgently, to urgently need. This situation is clamouring for a solution. It's so obvious and in your face that it is clear it strongly needs a solution. Now, notice with the spelling of this word, I, as a British English speaker, C-L-A-M-O-U-R. But in American, C-L-A-M-O-R. There are various words like this where in British we don't have the U. Behaviour, honour. These are usually words ending O-U-R, which end O-R in American. So, a clamour, a loud noise, a lot of people complaining that they need or they don't like something. Yeah, to demand something, to protest against. So this word comes from Latin, clamare, to shout out. And clearly a clamour is a lot of people shouting out in favour or against something. The kids were clamouring for me to take them to the park. Yeah, so they're shouting and pressing me and they're all talking, saying, take us to the park. Or people were clamouring to get their money back after the investment firm went bankrupt. Okay, so a clamour, a lot of people complaining about something, outraged about something, demanding something. But you could just use it for a loud noise. There was the clamour of voices of people talking in the party, for example. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Clamour. By the way, it's a regular verb.